Hey there, if you are here, you are probably interested in my services or you're just curious on how I can help you to scale your business with clearer decisions based on actual data, how to organize your data in a clear way, cut the cost, increase the revenue, establish the right metrics to track and get automated, and in general, saving time for you, for your team, for your company, automatizing processes that you're currently doing. How? I will show you. It is blueprint. First of all, I am a specialist in data management, automations, and business intelligence. I have 5 years experience with small businesses, with startups, with larger companies, like the one listed here. And if you want to start with me, start adventure with me, start collaborating together, the first step is always a 15-minute call. In this call, we will talk about your data, we will talk about your situation, and I will explain how I can help you. I will also provide, after the call, an initial audit of your situation, and I will deliver an action plan plus automation opportunities document. All this, remember, is free. This is a consultative call. It's just me exploring your situation and understanding if I can help you. Before starting and jumping on the technicalities and jumping on the actual steps to achieve the final result, I wanted to show you what you can expect from the rest of the call. Normally, we start from a situation like this, different spreadsheets, different tabs in a spreadsheet, and everything is not clear. The data is there, maybe tracked by pivot tables or with small dashboards inside Google Sheets, inside Excel, but nothing is clear. The KPIs are not tracked. The KPIs are not automated. The process of inputting the data is still manual. What I will deliver to you, the shiny end product, is obviously a 4-page dashboard fully automated, like this one also, automated with the KPIs that you want, interactive that you can share with everyone. But it's not only this. I will also dive deep into your data and provide you an analysis, some insights, some action plan that you can start now from the moment that you will receive this document and this presentation based on your actual data to take better decisions, to take better actions. This will be your first document based on real data made by a real data analyst with experience in this field. And that will help you cut costs, for example, here, improving the business development based on your scope of business. Say that if we agree after this free part of our process, we agree on the terms and I start as soon as possible to work on your data. I will put hands on your data and perform a data audit, reviewing all your spreadsheet or data sources. I will map the time, map the data sources and the time spent per department, per person in the task, and I will already highlight opportunities, areas for automation. What you will receive? You will receive a data audit result and POC documentation, and also a document with automation roadmap. Document similar to this with how I will automate your flow. Between stage 2 and stage 3, I will also ensure that your data is secure and privacy is respected. In stage 3, I will start designing your scalable data foundation. I will clean your data, standardize it, finding common points to be more effective. I will map, unify your data sources, and starting to create the architecture of the system. In this case, we can consider to start to use a CRM or a database. But in the majority of the cases, especially for small businesses, it's not needed. We can continue working with the tools that we already have. What you will receive here, you will receive your raw data, now cleaned, easily available and organized, and you will receive a conceptual data model document. This is something like this. This is the concept of the model of data that we will go to build after. We start from a situation like this with different files, with different sources, Shopify, Google Analytics, Salesforce, Oracle, etc. And we will unify everything in a model and making everything more easy for the future reporting. And you will receive a clear document with a conceptual model and explanation of every table and where the data comes from. Stage 4 is based on automation. After I integrated all the data sources, I will need to find a way to extract the data, transform the data, load the data into the tables so that our data can be available in the BI system for analysis. Here, I review all the process made manually and I integrate all the data sources, automate workflow using Power BI transformation, Zapier, or N8N, and custom pipelines to deliver that in real time. So there is no need of inputting the data, moving the data from a table to another, from a spreadsheet to another to create a report or to refresh or something like this. Everything will be automated. All the steps that you previously done to create a report and to take decisions now will be automated from your data sources. What you will receive? You will receive automation flow like this one in Zapier, for example. All manual work now will be in autopilot. You will receive Power BI access, the first data available for analysis in real time. Your data will be in Power BI in a real model, not a conceptual. And you will have a clear understanding of your data and the measures that we are creating. It will be the KPIs and the measures, the calculation needed to understand and to make better business decisions. At this stage, I dive deep into your data and I discover insights, starting to track real-time the KPIs with alerts that spot hidden costs and opportunities early. I will also provide you a document with data analysis, insight discovery, results, and suggested actions. And also you will receive the first draft of the 4-page dashboard. What you will expect? KPIs tracking in real time. So you will start to have all your KPIs here with automation, with notification, to have a clear understanding of how it's going in comparison to the target. You will receive a 4-page dashboard draft. There will be something like this to be personalized in the next steps. And you will receive a document of insights discovered after a full contextual data analysis. This document is something like this. It's a document, it's a presentation where I show you what's actually happening in the company in the year to date, in the last 2 years, depending on the situation, and provide you actions, something that you can implement, something that you can try to understand more, asking to the right people why this is happening, and increase revenue now, start. Stage 6 is demonstration, personalization, and training. Here we will have a demo call and a personalization call. We will personalize the dashboard, refine metrics, and train your team in this call. The personalization comprehends new KPIs development, new design, brand identity development, layout of the dashboard if you don't like something. What you will receive here? You will receive video walkthroughs, how-to docs, KPI glossary, Loom videos, documents with all the field labeled, and you will receive full personalized BI system at this point. Here you can see some examples of final product that I deliver to my clients, fully personalized with live KPI tracking. This, for example, is for a business development department. It's a beautiful dashboard, colorful but clear. In 4 pages, this is the pages based on the KPIs, the conversion rate, and in general metrics without diving deep into the rep by rep, the cost, etc. This is 1 page of a full dashboard. This is another page. Here we were tracking the customers. We were tracking where are they from, the number of customers, a beautiful tree map with how every customer is buying product for a certain time. And here, for example, you can navigate the pages. This is another part of a dashboard, more technical, used for tracking insights for an educational edutech company. This is one of my first works. It was a vending machine project for a person in the US that wanted to track the performance of its vending machines in the country. Here, I made an interactive dashboard, for example, for him to track every vending machine that he had. But also, I'm always very careful to provide instructions. These, for example, are instructions for the filtering of this map, where we have tracked all the gas stations in a certain province of Spain. In this case, it is possible to select from the instructions, from these button filters here. This was used by a rent company to understand where to buy the gasoline based on the brand. At this point, you will be ready. You will have my document with insights. You will have the live dashboards to understand if the action plan is going well, because the data will be automated live. You will save a lot of time. You will have more time also to dive deep into this data, because I will automate your processes regarding data. So the time spent in the manual processes for you, for your team, can be dedicated to real data analysis, to real tracking, to real finding the reasons of the problems, increase revenue, and cutting the cost. But it's not finished here. Our collaboration will continue. So after the training call with you and your team, we have 2 hours for free at your disposal included in the service. We have the final delivery, full access to the system. I will support. I will publish the report online if needed. I will help you buying the licenses of Power BI for other people to share the report with the members of your team if you want an online version and not a physical saved version. I will help you to configure row-level security. So how certain people can work on the report, how certain people cannot see a certain type of data based on department, based on countries, sensitivity of the data. And you will receive 31 days of free technical business support, monitoring performance, fix the issues proactively, offer continuous improvements to keep your system scalable and effective. So what you will have in the end, online dashboard ready to be shared. This you can see inside the browser. We have the dashboard that you can share with everyone, and you will have 31 days of free technical and business support included via WhatsApp, email, calls, whatever you want and need. So that's it. If you are interested in my service, remember always that the first stage is free for now. You will just jump on a call with me, understand if this service is for you. I will understand if I really can help you and support you in the scale and cutting your time, increasing the revenue of your company. And we will personalize together our final product to have a service, to have a final delivery product that will really help you and your company to scale and grow. Thank you for your attention.